again. So I want to really talk about something briefly, okay? And what I'm going to talk about, I want to really use parable so that people will understand. Because if I explain, majority will not understand what I'm going to talk about. So I will use an object to explain it. So what do I mean by that is that any man that can handle his phone. When I mean phone, let me explain so that you understand. Any man that can handle his phone, as you can see, can handle his what? His wife. Any man that can handle his phone can handle his wife. Ask me how. If you know that that phone you are holding is so precious, is so important, is so good for you, the same thing you can handle a wife proper, even more than. You understand? Yes, that is just a secret. So that is why I'm going to use phone as an example so that you understand what I'm going to talk about, okay? So if you know you can handle your phone, why not? You can handle your wife. Yes, even better than your phone. If your phone is important to you, the same thing with that woman. The woman is more worth precious, more than gold too, to you. If you know that it is time for you to charge your phone because you don't like seeing your phone running down without battery, it's the same thing with that woman. You don't like to see that woman crying or sharing tears or other problem. You understand? The same thing. Okay, now let's check another one again. When you know that if your phone is not recharged, you have to put money so that it can be working, you can call, you can do anything, you can browse. It's the same thing with that woman. Give that woman money. Establish her, let her start something doing. Let her be that woman of substance. Let her be that woman that doesn't depend, that doesn't sit like idle, for the hands, morning to evening. Invest in her. You see her potentials. Yes, you understand? Give her money. Let her start something good, so that in future she can also assist you as a man. She can assist you too as a man. She will assist you. Okay? Okay, now let's check another one again. If you know you don't like seeing your phone like spoil, mistakenly your phone just like fall from your hand and it just pieces and spoil, and you have either you have to repair it or you have to buy another one, then you will feel unhappy. You will feel so sad. The same thing with that your wife. Yes. If you know that, if this woman died or if something, she's unhappy or she needs something, you cannot give it to her, the same feelings between that your phone and her. If that your phone is also important for you, that you keep informations for you too, the same thing with your wife. Come on. Yes, the same thing with your wife. Let your wife know your informations too. She's useful to you more than the phone. Does she know your password of your ATM? No. Don't you think that one day something may come up urgent? What will she say? I don't know my husband's password. To you as a man, is it good? No, of course I know your answer is no. Let her know your secrets. Let her know your secrets. I know there are some women that their mouth doesn't shut, but there are some ways as a man you can do what? Handle your wife. So if your phone can keep a lot of your contacts, informations, your email and other things, why not? Your wife can do better than that. So, you see, if your phone is important to you, the same thing with your what? With your wife. Value that woman you have at home. Cherish her. She's a god. You understand? So I'm saying something always come up like some men, they normally do this. The same thing go to women. I'm not going to be like based on one person. I'm going to talk about man. This one, men normally do this. By the time like they'll be dating from like outside, or like they'll be having side chick, or they'll be having like girlfriend from outside while their wife is at home. They normally do this. They'll say, this woman now she just give birth. She's now fat. She's not like this. She cannot take care of herself again. She doesn't have my time. She cannot have that, that good time for bed and sex. They'll be complaining one thing and the other. They will say, this young lady that is just her side is just taking good care of me. She's cooking delicious food for me. She's doing like that. She's doing like that. Fine. My advice for you as a man, go and marry her. Marry her. Bring her in. There you will differentiate that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Because you have never lived with her fully. It's just a part-time. You go and come. You say she's the best. She's not the best. So I cannot tell you she's not the best. Go and, they say sin is believing. Go and invite her. Stay with her. Then you got to see the real devil in her. They normally make this kind of mistake, which is not good. They just say somebody, so that person is the best. Then the old one they are with is no longer interesting. Is no longer the best again. She's now a old cargo. Come on. Stay with her. Let her be with you. Then you got to see her real dirty characters. Then you will confess, oh, the wife I thought she's, she's the devil is even better than this one. Because that one is single, that is why she have the time. She pick your call, she write to you, she want to know how you are faring, how you are doing that, and you are doing this. She can cook delicious food for you just because it's just both of you and her. Yes. But that woman that is at home, has a lot of responsibility. So if you know you can handle your phone very well, handle that woman you have at home as a man. Please do this. It's really good. You have phone. If that phone is really important to you, the same thing with your wife. If it is time for you to recharge your phone, give the woman money. You don't need to wait till the woman asks you for money. It is your right as a man for you to give her money. She's not working. She's doing a lot at home, domestic things. If those things she's doing at home, if she need to be paid, even her salary will be higher than yours. Because the time she will take care of the children, the time she will go and pick them from school, the time she will go and drop them, the time she will come and prepare morning, afternoon, evening food, the time she will come. Do you know what you are saying? Come and clean the house, do other appointments and all that. Her money, her salary is bigger than yours. So please invest in that woman. If you can handle your phone very well, the same thing you can handle your wife proper, better. I'm telling you the secret. So comparing her to other women out there, she doesn't deserve that. Praise her because she deserves the best. It's not easy. You understand? So thank you so much. See you some other time, guys. Bye.